Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. I am at Kshetra Mahabaleshwar, which is home for 4 temples, namely Panchaganga, Mahabaleshwar, Atibaleshwar and Krishnabai temple. Among this, we are currently at Atibaleshwar temple. Lord Brahma was meditating in the forest of Sahyadri for creation of humans. 2 Brahmin brothers, namely Atibal and Mahabal, were troubling the sages and the other beings in the region. They are believed to be appeared from a Shivling that Ravana tried taking to Lanka with him. Lord Vishnu was able to kill Atibal as Mahabal was blessed that he couldn't be killed by anyone without his own will. Then Lord Brahma and Lord Vishnu prayed to Lord Shiva and goddesses Adimaya to help them to get rid of Mahabal. Adimaya helped them to get rid of Mahabal. Goddesses Adimaya memorized Mahabal with her beauty and asked him to surrender to the gods. He agreed to lay down his life with the condition that Lord Shiva will reside with him forever in this region. Lord Shiva appeared as a Shivling in the shape of Rudrash to stay with him, and the entire region was named Mahabaleshwar to honor Mahabal. So guys, we are currently at Mahabaleshwar temple. This temple was built by Raja Chandra Rao More in 16th century. Photography is prohibited in all the temples of Mahabaleshwar. So we are at Panchaganga temple, which is the origin for 5 rivers, namely Saraswati, Gayatri, Savitri, Koyna, Vena, Krishna and Bhagirathi. So guys, these were Mahabaleshwar temples. Now let's move ahead towards Krishnabai temple, which is a memorizing and beautiful gem in Mahabaleshwar. Here is the beautiful hiking experience, and to meditate that type of location you can find nearby Krishnabai temple. This temple is behind Panchaganga temple, which takes 2.5 minutes to reach here. Krishnabai temple has a small and well-marked trail which leads to this location. It is not visited much by the tourists as it is isolated, but it provides a most exquisite view of the river Krishna. Krishnabai temple is supposed to be source of the river Krishna. The temple was built in 1888 by a rural of Ratnagiri on a hilltop overlooking the Krishna valley. The temple has a Shivling and a beautiful statue of goddesses Krishna. A small stream of the river flowing from a cow face, which is called Gaumukh fall, in a kund or water tank, which is the source of mighty river Krishna. Stone carved columns and ceiling are the special characteristics of this temple. Archaeological Survey of India protects this monument and visit it twice a year. Mahabaleshwar was discovered by the Britishers as a hill station in the state of Maharashtra. From this range, you can view Pratapgarh, Torna forts of Maharashtra.
भाई साहब, इधर मंकी है और हम अकेले जा रहे हैं. भाई हमको कुछ मत करना. हॅलो गाईज, तर मी महाबलेश्वर वरून आता डिपार्चर घेणार आहे. तर तुम्हाला मी दाखवू इच्छिते की मी कुठे राहत होती एक्झॅक्टली. हा होता माझा हॉटेल द्वारका. तिथे त्याची पार्किंग स्पेस आहे. हे इथे रिसेप्शन आहे आणि हा माझा रूम होता. तुम्ही बघू शकता ॲज इफ रोहा हाऊस टाईप होता. आणि तिकडे लॉन एरिया आहे, तिकडे एक गार्डन एरिया आहे, तिथे झुला वगैरे पण आहे आणि समोर आहे ना मस्त सनसेट व्ह्यू पण भेटतो. सो हॅलो गाईज, मी आलेली सोलो ट्रेकवरती महाबलेश्वरला खूप छान वातावरणामध्ये एवढ्या गुलाबी थंडीमध्ये मी महाबलेश्वर म्हणजे अनुभवलंय. खूप छान. तुम्ही बघू शकता माझ्या पाठी हा माझा स्टेईंग प्लेस होता महाबलेश्वरमध्ये. आय हॅड अ ग्रेट माय सेल्फ टाईम, अमेझिंग टाईम. त्याच्या पाठी ना फुल एकदम सनसेट व्ह्यू वगैरे पण छान होतं बघायला. आय जस्ट एन्जॉयड दिस प्लेस. आय फेल्ट रिलॅक्स्ड. मी फक्त इथे स्ट्रॉबेरी क्रीम खायला आली होती अँड आय एन्जॉयड दिस प्लेस. यार आय कम. या सोलो ट्रेक करायला हवेत. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे सोलो ट्रेक करायला हवेत सगळेजण. मग तुम्ही आहे ना इनर पीस शोधता तुमच्यातलं. तर मी हा व्लॉग इथे एंड करते. तुम्हाला जर व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कॉमेंट करा. माझा सोलो ट्रेक होता, खूप मजा केली. मी तिथे बसून मस्त चिल केलं.